Hello YouTubers, how are you? It's your Master Guru Pro Master Darren Smith here from Adelaide, Australia, who runs the Guitar Giveaway channel, also has the YouTube Creator, the Aussie Creator YouTube channel and Gaming Sound Effects YouTube channel as well, but my main channel is Guitar Giveaway channel. But I have launched a new YouTube Master Academy course. It's called the YouTube Master Academy, and it's a hands-on YouTube growth experience. Yeah. So what if you decide to join my YouTube Master Academy, we will welcome you to the academy, to the most practical and immersive and results driven YouTube course ever created. Yeah, unlike traditional courses filled with pre-recorded videos and vague strategies, we do things differently. We build your channel with you side by side every step of the way. What makes this course so unique? What makes my course so unique? Well, I am a YouTube guru. I am a YouTube genius. Some have actually said that I am a YouTube genius, that I am obsessed. All I do is make videos and live on YouTube. And at the YouTube Master Academy, our approach is 100% hands-on. We don't just teach theory, we take action together in real time. Live one-on-one sessions via StreamYard. As a new student, you'll be invited to join us live through our StreamYard private sessions using your mobile device or your laptop. From there, we get started on the real work. You'll log in as a guest, and with your Gmail account ready, we'll launch your brand new YouTube channel live with you. We can either guide you step by step or take the reins and completely build out your channel while explaining everything along the way. How does that sound, folks? Sound pretty good, does it? So far, if you think that sounds pretty good, hit the like button and also subscribe if you already haven't already. What we help you set up in full detail. You won't miss a thing. We cover every fine detail required to build and run a successful monetized YouTube system. Yeah, YouTube channel. Phase one will be the channel setup and branding. Channel name and niche consultation. So I'll go through with you what channel name and what niche that you are looking to delve into with your YouTube channel. A branded profile photo and banner art, channel keywords and SEO setup, channel description and about section optimization, custom URL setup, link integration, website, social merch, etc., channel tags and topic classification. Now, phase two will be a video infrastructure and tools, content strategy, planning, titles, thumbnails, and formats. Yeah, thumbnails and titles are very important. Creation of intro, outro templates, branding, watermark, and video end screens, channel trailer creation, access to the recommended apps and software for video editing, thumbnails, and scheduling. Now, phase three will be a recording and publishing section. What we do, we'll batch record. We'll batch record your videos. It's a strategy we use. We help you record your first batch of videos. Hands-on video editing support. We can edit them for you or guide you if you like. Video uploading with full optimization. SEO's titles, descriptions, tags, hashtags, timestamps, thumbnail design, and A/B testing, creating playlists and video categories, ongoing mentorship and monetization. Once your channel is set up and your first videos are live and the support doesn't stop. In fact, we double down. Included in your program, in your course, weekly check-ins for 6 months, real-time performance analysis, video topic suggestions, and content brainstorming, algorithm insights and growth hacks, feedback on video content, pricing, presentation, engagement, one-on-one motivation, accountability, monetization support. Our goal is clear: to get your channel monetized. We help you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time within that 6-month period, hopefully. Set up Google AdSense, understand community guidelines and copyright, explore affiliate marketing, brand deals, and merch. Bonus lifetime supports after the program ends. Once you complete the 6-month course, you're still not alone. All students receive ongoing lifetime support at no extra cost. Whether you're at 500 subscribers or 5 million, you will always have access to advice, motivation, and solutions from me personally, yeah? Why this academy works? Because we don't just give you information, we give you implementation. With YouTube Master Academy, you're not just watching from the sidelines, you're in the arena with us, pressing record and building your dream channel with a real mentor who's been there before. That's me, yeah? Let's build your channel together. Enroll today and let's turn your YouTube vision into a fully monetized, thriving channel. This is not a course, this is a revolution. Darren Smith, that's me, founder and head coach, YouTube Master Academy. You don't just learn here, you launch. That's my course. We go through with you. It's like a on the job training. Yeah, it's on the job training. It's not like a course where you just pencil down and put in the answer or watch a video and then put in the answer. No, we do hands-on training. We build your channel with you. We teach you how to use everything in Creator Studio. We teach you how to make thumbnails. We teach you how to do channel banner art. We teach you absolutely every tool in the Creator Studio, what all the analytics do, and all the audience and content, and all the analytics, and all the data in the back end of Creator Studio, what all that sort of stuff does. We do all this for you, or we guide you and explain everything that you need to know, what you need to know for your YouTube channel. It's hands on. It's manual. You get to like get your hands dirty and get into the channel. Make some videos with us. I'll teach you how to make the best videos. We've got content strategies. We do batch recording and then we do editing. We've got a strategy how we make the videos with a hook and everything and thumbnails and all this sort of stuff, and the storyline and the outro and all this sort of stuff, and then a call to action. It's a strategy, yeah, a video strategy. You need a strategy if you're going to go head in, full on, head first into YouTube. It is a strategizing game, folks. This is not for the faint-hearted. This is a difficult undertaking, but it can be done if you are smart and savvy and you take the right strategy and you have a game plan. If you're just going to wing it and half-ass it and not try, you're not going to get anywhere. You may as well just give up and go home now. Not even try. So you want to make a real YouTube channel and make it real for yourself and make some money for yourself as well, and turn it into a business with a website and a YouTube merch shop and all this sort of stuff, a monthly newsletter, an email opt-in page where you get an email list, you get everyone's email list, all this connected to your YouTube channel. Absolutely bangers. My name's Darren Smith. I'm the Guitar Giveaway Channel YouTube creator. I am the YouTube Master Academy course creator and mentor. I am your mentor. I am your head coach. I am your best friend to YouTube success. So please contact us in the comments in this video. And if you are serious about YouTube, well, let's get started now. It's going to cost 299 Australian dollars for 6 months. That's a full 6 months. That's less than $50 a month if you work it out. $50 a month, and I teach you absolutely everything I know. So get started, contact me now, and we'll see you soon inside the YouTube Master Academy course. Yeah, peace, adios, bye. Thank you for watching.